his friends.
That's Daddy and his friends. Let me see. Hold it up so I get a tape.
Are we going or not?
Yeah, we will.
That's Daddy and his friends.
Cannon. That's what she told us right.
Is that the Marines? Let's see.
That's Cannon and Daddy.
Oh, let me see.
That's Cannon and that's Daddy, she said.
Oh, yeah.
Shoot the one.
You like it?
Play with it.
Here, look, y'all got here. You can be Cannon.
Yeah, let's put his backpack on. Don said we need his backpack. Yeah.
Here, Daddy's got this gun.
Where's
Where's Cannon's gun? Right here.
Is Cannon Daddy's best friend?
He's the one that came from New York.
Yeah.
Let me see this.
Here,
The other backpack.
right there.
Here we go.
So that's Daddy and Cannon right there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
I told you I was thinking.
Oh,
Already.
wow. Let me see, maybe hold him up so I can get a tape of him. Cool.
Hold him like that so Mommy, so Lolly can see.
Who have you got, Daddy?
Hold him up like that.
Is that Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
And that's Cannon, huh?
Oh,
We got it.
look, the
Yeah,
legs
we're gonna look
move.
at him in a second. Me and Brett now.
Oh, who was it? Oh,
Hey, what?
can't use that one. Use the other.
They run and fall?
Run?
That's what she bought Brett.
Yeah. Yeah, run like this.
Oh, no.
Him and his friends.
I will help you.
No.
Okay, I got this side. You watch that side, I watch this side, okay? Let me know if you see anything. Look, you got another gun right there.
Play Marines.
There's a pistol right there. You see that right there? It's your first aid kit.
It's got Band-Aids in it.
And it's got your band-aids in it. And we got knee pads. And look, you got a knife down here. And your backpack. And your helmet. Look at that chin strap. That's pretty cool.
That restroom.
Watch this gun.
Remember that. We'll go out.
See, it's sitting on the ground right there.
Okay. What time y'all going to this morning?
We'll probably get there sometime about 11 or 12. Something like that. You can't take that with you.